Hello, everyone. Have you ever heard this engine? Hey, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a legendary Group C car, one that screamed its way into racing. This is the Mazda 787B, the one and only rotary-powered car to win Le Mans. Powered by a 2.6-liter, four-rotor Wankel engine, it screamed up to 9,000 RPM and pushed over 700 horsepower. In 1991, it stunned the world, outlasting titans like Mercedes and Porsche, and making history. The winning team? Volker Weidler, Johnny Herbert, and Bertrand Gachot, three fearless drivers who pushed the car beyond its limits. The Mazda 787B wasn't just a race car. It was a revolution, a machine that defied tradition, broke boundaries, and proved that innovation could outshine power. Its four-rotor scream is etched into the soul of motorsport, a sound that still gives chills to those who remember that historic night in 1991. This wasn't just a win for Mazda. It was a victory for bold thinking, for Japanese engineering, and for every underdog who ever dared to dream. The 787B didn't just race, it roared into legend. If that rotary scream gave you goosebumps, hit like, share it with a fellow car lover, and subscribe for more legendary machines. Until next time, keep the throttle pinned and the passion alive.